Yo, what up YouTube? My name is Kevin Pack. Thanks for tuning into my channel. I'm all about making content about Amazon FBA, entrepreneurship, lifestyle, all that good stuff. So let's get into this video real quick. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can travel for free while you're doing your Amazon FBA business. Now, this is just a strategic perk that you can use that actually a lot of businesses do to take advantage of the points that they can receive by using credit cards. Okay, so this is the key. In order to get free travel, you gotta have credit cards, and specific credit cards that I'm gonna recommend to you guys. Now, first off, I am not a professional CPA or financial advisor or anything of that matter. I'm just a motherfucker who likes free shit and has been leveraging credit cards to be able to do that. Before I continue any further, let me show you guys my account so you guys know I'm a current Amazon FBA seller. Okay, let's refresh. Boom, just like that. We got 11 sales so far today, over $200. It's about 12 p.m. in the afternoon, and we've done $15.5 thousand in the past 30 days. So far so good. Let's keep it going. Like this video if you're excited to know how you can get free travel, and let's get into this video. So what am I talking about here? How can I receive free travel while using credit cards while doing my Amazon business? Like what's the deal with this? Now, this tactic I really recommend more for experienced sellers who already have a winning product that's already going, and you're already making consistent sales and you have consistent revenue and you spend a consistent amount of money on advertisements per month. So that's the key. So we have expenses per month. We spend money on our inventory, we spend money on samples, we spend money on production of like photos or whatever. We spend a lot of things on Fiverr, and the biggest thing also is we spend money on advertising. We use Amazon's PPC, the sponsored ads. So the trick is to use a credit card that gives you points when you spend money and use the credit card, especially if it's being spent on advertising. You get more points, double points, triple points, whatever the case may be. Now think about this. Every single month, you're spending money on advertising. You have to spend money on advertising. It's not like it's an option or you don't have to do it or whatever. Like, more than likely, 99% of the time, you are going to be spending money on advertising. So if you already know you have to spend that money anyways, you might as well use it on a credit card. Put your Amazon PPC advertising charges onto a credit card, because that money is going to be spent anyways. So you might as well be able to get rewards and benefits out of using that money being spent. So when you use that money on a credit card, now you're going to be able to receive points out of it. And it's not going to be like you're only spending like $100 a month on advertising. More than likely, you're going to be spending thousands of dollars a month on ads, and you're using those thousands of dollars per month to get more and more points. Not only will spending money on advertising receive points, but if you apply for the right card, then you also get bonus points as well for signing up. For example, the American Express Green Card, which I believe is a new card. I have the Gold Card, but I don't think they have any more promotions for that. But this Green Card, you can earn 30,000 membership points if you spend $2,000 on the card in your first 3 months. Now, personally for me, I already spend like $1,500 to $2,000 in the first month just on advertising alone. So if I do that, because I'm gonna spend that money anyways, now I'm gonna be using it on my credit card and I'm gonna receive those 30,000 points. And then on top of that, per month, I'm gonna get extra points because I'm already spending on advertising. So those 30,000 points can equate to a plane trip ticket. It could be one way or round trip depending on where you're going, but 30,000 points is enough to get, I believe it's one plane ticket. You can also use that for hotels, you can have for food, but the great thing about the American Express is you earn extra points when you travel, when you pay for any travel. You get $100 in credits, you get $100 in other travel credits, and so there's a lot of benefits you can get. The only thing is that there's an annual fee of $150 a year, okay, an annual fee. But the amount of money and credit you get back from the free travel pays it over 2-3 times fold, so you're not at a loss. You're using your points to be able to get free travel, plus you're already getting free credit in other parts, so your annual fees are already covered just based off of that alone. Another great credit card is Chase Business Inc. Preferred. Now this one's even crazier because you get 80,000 bonus points, which I believe is enough for like 2 plane tickets or something. Now, the special thing about the Chase Business Inc. Preferred is because they give you 3 times the extra points for travel and advertising. So that's directly advertising from Amazon. So when you get charged for your sponsored ads, you're gonna get 3 times the amount of points, and now you're getting way more travel points for that. The annual fee on this one's even lower, only $95. So you're gonna pay this annual fee over like 3-4 times with your free travel that they are gonna give you. So guys, these are ways you can take advantage of your business, be able to travel for free and enjoy your life more when you learn how to leverage your credit cards and apply them to your business. Again, I recommend you apply for these credit cards when you are a little bit more established into your business and you have consistent revenue coming in and you're spending a consistent amount of money on advertising, and put it on the credit card. You can change it on your Amazon account to where you are getting charged on specifically that card, and then Amazon per month or per 2 weeks or whatever your cap is, they'll charge it on your credit card and you're gonna receive points once you pay it back from your other bank accounts. From there, you watch the points stack up, and then you can take advantage of that and use the points to travel for free. I've been able to do it myself, and I have a lot of credit for my free travel. I'm taking my family out on a vacation this week actually. This Thursday I'm leaving to Tulum for a week, and I've been very blessed and grateful to be able to have this opportunity to take myself and treat my family to a vacation for a week, and it's all expenses paid, and it's just gonna be just me and my family just hanging out, and it's all because, you know, the Amazon business, and I've been leveraging credit cards as well from my business. So there's a quick little thing that I know a lot of Amazon sellers don't even think about, but there are some people who already know about it as well, and kind of common sense in a way. But hope you guys enjoyed it. Catch you guys in the next one. Like the video if you haven't already. As always, go get that money.